So hello everyone, welcome back sa ating vlog. Today is Sunday. Yan, kasama natin si Dayan, si DJ, tsaka yung kapatid ko, si Edsel, tsaka si Madel. Ayan guys, no, titignan natin tong bahay na to, number 21. Magkano nga to, Sel? 750 or 760,000? Ito, sinama na namin yung kapatid ko kasi walkout basement yung bahay. Kasi nga 'di ba sinabi namin sa inyo na yung bibilin namin may purpose yung basement kung bakit gusto namin maganda. Kasi sila Edsel lang titira doon. So instead na bumili sila ng, alam mo yun, apartment or townhouse na may condo fee, pinag-uusapan namin kung mas makakatipid kami kapag single family home na may legal basement na lang yung bilhin namin. Para alam mo yun, hindi nag-appreciate yung condo fees. Yan na yung ating realtor, si Tommy. So yan, sila yung titira doon sa basement. Yan na yung bahay guys. So ito yung bahay. Ha?
Ano yung bus dito?
114.
So one bus lang siya?
One bus. Ay, two bus. 114
two bus
tsaka
pa
2.
din? Okay.
Yes. So yan.
Pero at least mas malapit.
Mas malapit. Ito kasi guys is a walkout basement. Kaya ito talaga yung gusto nating kunin. Or gusto nating makita. Wow.
Tabi ni David.
Yeah. What's up, Tommy?
Hello. Am I on YouTube?
Yeah, say hi.
Hey. Let's check this place out. It's empty, so we can
Okay.
hop right in.
So, let's go. Unahin natin syempre yung basement. Pagpasok yung basement, tsaka natin tingnan yung taas. Yun yung mas importanteng portion. Na babe, no?
Anong year to, babe?
What year is this one? 1990?
Yeah, let me pull that up for you.
Okay.
Let me open the door too, since I'm on video.
So, yan yung ating realtor. They work with Eric actually. So, Tommy. Siya din yung realtor namin nung kumuha kami ng bahay. So, this is the place. Oh, wow. Maganda. Babe, ang ganda oh.
Yeah.
So, merong
Nice.
may malaking space dito. Meron kang mini dining. Dito. Where's the lights? It's all hidden. So, may dining area, reception. Dito yung bathroom. Di bang luwang?
Yeah.
Pero sabi ko, unahin natin yung basement.
Okay, let's
I think we'll go to the basement first because that's more important for my brother.
Right, I forgot about that. Make sure to get that on video too. And these are peacocks.
Yeah. Where's the basement? Oh, andun na sila. So let's go.
Actually,
Pretty nice, eh?
yeah, it's better than I thought it was gonna be.
So let's go to the basement. Because we're looking for a walkout. So may sariling kitchen, guys. Some renos dito sa basement. That's for sure. Walkout basement. So living area. Ay, maluwang yung living area. So living area. May room dito. So this is a 2-bedroom basement. May room. Hindi lang siya legal. Kasi hindi ganun kalaki. If you wanna make it legal, make it bigger. Pero ito kasi guys, di ba yung number 1 na titignan natin for them. Para hindi nila ma-feel na masyadong basement. So it should be this. Open. Walkout basement.
That's a big yard.
Oh yeah.
Get ready to mow some lawns.
It will be Edsel's responsibility.
Yeah.
Daming storage, babe, ah.
Kaya nga eh. So this is a tube. Oh, dito yung maganda kasi malaki yung malaki yung bintana nito. So they have their own full bath. Oh, laki ng full bath. Luwang ng full bath niya. Ang tanong babe, yung laundry nasaan?
Baka wala na sa loob.
So, furnace, some touch up dito kasi medyo sira na.
It's nice. Yeah, he just had to get it out.
There's no laundry. Wala siyang laundry, no? So, yun yung isang titignan natin kung saan natin lalagay. Wala siyang laundry. Dito, ang laundry, most likely. Kaso medyo maliit, no? I will see. Tingnan natin.
Sa labas siguro.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
We're just missing the laundry. Do you know where the laundry is? Oh, probably here.
No, it's not in there. They might have moved it up by the bedrooms, but we'll
Yeah.
find out because it was over there before.
I see. We can put the laundry here, honestly.
Dito,
Right?
sa kitchen.
Tabi?
Pero medyo mas dito. Parang mukhang pantry lang siya.
Mukhang pantry. Let's see. Siyempre, nagsukat 30 cupboards na.
Kaya.
Pwede dito, sakto lang yan. May maliit dito.
May patong yung
Patong, stand up.
Kamusta ng microwave?
Ito, papareno natin to. Papagandahin natin yung mga yan.
Pati to.
Kung sakali. Oh, syempre, palitan natin to.
Ay, dito yun eh. Dato yun eh.
The laundry na to, yan. Dito na yung laundry. May hookup na. So, dito na yung hookup, guys. It's easier kasi may hookup na.
Yeah, we can have the room.
Yeah.
Kasi ano naman, separate.
So, separate na talaga. How do you guys like the place? Plus the touch-up.
Tanong mo sila kung ano
Most likely, ta-touch up natin to.
masasabi niya.
10K reno siguro to. I think. 10K? Make it aesthetic.
Yeah, it's already nice the way it is to me.
Yeah.
Like, you're the one living down here. What do you think?
I'll probably change this. Probably the cupboards and the countertop, the stove, will change it. Add some refrigerator and stuff. Around 10K maybe.
Yeah, 10K. is
Yeah.
fine.
So let's see. Ito yung...
It'll be a smidge higher than that, but yeah, you're in range of what
Yeah.
it's gonna cost.
So here, ito yung walkout basement. Cell yard. Dati iplaw ni Edsel. So, plow. Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, medyo ayaw ko yung tabi ng ano, ng ganyan.
how much he has to mow.
Yeah, right. It would be Edsel's responsibility anyway, so it's not my problem.
It'll be worth it though. It won't take too long.
So, dito yung... Dati yung pagsarakam tayo na. It's kind of crooked, but
Hindi naman siya
we
ganun
we can fix it, yeah.
Medyo, ano lang.
Nice. Mapanji bangeratan. Banger nga balay.
Bakali nga.
Kanita, balay.
Balay. Balay din.
It's pretty nice.
Nice mo.
What's spacious?
Very, very spacious. Okay.
It's moving already. Like, sure, you can renovate later, but
Yeah.
you don't have to, right?
Okay, let's go up.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Let's see their part of the house.
Yeah, let's see what's happening there. Hopefully there is no surprises.
Kung gusto nila
Yeah, nung kahit yung tika pa lang. Okay. So tayo guys, sa taas na tayo. Definitely to, papalitan natin to. Ref doon. Some renos here.
Yes, niya doon. Lawa.
Lawa niya. Kasi 2 beds pa eh.
Pwede na-
So, dito naman,
Storage sa ilalim ng
true.
ano.
Dito naman guys, this will be our place. Wow, our place.
Ito.
So ito yung, ay pwede siyang ano babe oh.
Diretso.
Renos din. Most likely kasi medyo old yung ano.
You'd be helping them, right?
All itong mga countertops niya. Probably another 10K reno. So, looking around 20-25K renos here. Should be okay still. So, dining. Pwede kang mag-dining dito. Or meron yung separate dining dito sa kabila if you want. But, yeah. Tapos, meron ditong deck.
I like those trees too. They look nice.
How long do you think we will sell our property?
Sorry?
How long do you think we will sell our property?
I'd like not to disclose that on YouTube.
Because we really like the place. Hopefully, yeah.
It's nice, but the sooner we get it listed, we'll say.
Yes.
Some of our properties sell same day, some take a week.
Yep.
But
Depends on how it priced.
yeah, it's based on pricing, how we stage it. But
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not giving you an exact day.
I know. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
And then you have to make use of this entertainment station. Right?
Oh, yes.
Because this is like set. You can always get it filled in.
Yeah.
Flush wall, but if you want to utilize it.
I'll just probably keep it as is.
Yeah. Just put TV
Put the
on.
TV on there, couch here, you know.
Yeah.
Because I don't want the TV to be like pretty high.
Yeah.
So I think this one will be perfect for the TV.
Yeah, if you change your mind, you always put a TV mount that moves.
Yeah.
Right? But think about that.
Pretty
And
decent.
Some people put it up there too.
Sure, pretty good. So, ito yung number 1 guys. This will be our office. Office! Looks like nahanap na natin, but we'll see.
Tignan natin dito sa taas.
Garage na.
Ito, garahe muna, Beb. Ito yung sinasabi ko merong separate dining. So, dito yung dining. Right? So, pwede kang mag-walk through the kitchen. Or you can put a dining table here na lang para, alam mo yun, isang flush na lang nung dining, living, tsaka kitchen. And then here, you can just make this as your reception area.
Wow.
Di ba? Reception. No. This will be my gym. Yung gym.
Wow.
Right? Kasi doon na yung ano
Wow,
natin.
nag-gym.
So, we'll see.
Well, there's still a lot of stuff in the garage.
So, what's up in the garage?
It's just.
Free
Mess.
stuff.
Yeah, it probably is free. I don't know if you want any of that, but yeah, it's used as storage right now.
Okay.
But it's your responsibility to dump it later.
I see.
So
let's see.
they probably rent out in here and they just
Yeah,
shove
put it
in
there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nandito sa
Andyan?
taas yun.
Wow, ang ganda naman dyan. May ganyan pa. May balcony. So, andito na daw yung washer, guys. Ayun na nga, dito na yung washer.
Tapos
So,
sa
hindi-
baba may nakabang.
Ano na yun? May nakaabang na sa baba. The washers are here, so there's already like rough-ins.
Yeah, there are rough-ins
Yeah.
downstairs. Yeah. That's
So-
where they originally were.
That'll be easier. So this will be the full bath. Common. Wow. Spacious.
Stand-up shower.
Wow! Ito yung ano?
The only thing is there's no door in the washroom, but if you just shut that door, it's okay. But you can always do like a sliding door.
Holy cow.
I don't mind.
Walk in. Tapos dito yung CR. We can always put a door there if you want to. There's the tub.
Washroom's nice.
I don't mind the tub.
Yeah. And you can always rip this out and do a double.
Yeah.
Pwede ka pong magkwarto dito. Babe.
Nice, babe. Ang ganda.
I like it.
Anak ako, hindi ko dyan
Ang luwang.
Kita niyo kwarto. Kita niyo dyan kwarto.
So, yan yung first room. Ay, wala nang bonus room dito.
Wala na.
Kasi naka-high ceiling na siya dito, right? But you have this balcony here. Ah, di ba? Shala. Chandelier. What about the rooms? Okay. So, these are the rooms. Luwang din. Yeah. Dakal, di ba?
Your yard seems even bigger when you look out the window from up top.
Yep.
Like we were down there, I didn't really notice, but from
The
the other
yard?
room, I was like, that
Yeah,
yard
it's
is
like pretty
bigger.
big. And you have, that was probably the canal.
The view's not bad. It's
Is that your obligation as well? You see the fence, like the brown fence?
It's looking like it.
It's ours?
It's looking like it.
Ah. So it's like part of the property.
Yeah, because his doesn't open up anywhere.
Yeah, so that's ours, basically. So you can do hide and seek.
Behind all your charges, I guess.
Yeah. So here, ang lalaki ng rooms, guys. Yung rooms niya parang master's bedroom lahat. Alam ko nagustuhan na ni Dayan yung ano. Yan. Ilang bedrooms tong ano? Four bedrooms ata to eh.
Alin?
Ito.
Bakit?
Isang room yan, no?
Oo nga, di ba?
Ang laki.
Pwede kong room yun sana, no?
Grabe. Sobra namang laki niyan. Ano?
Maganda to.
Maganda sa
Pero
maganda,
yung
no?
location, kamusta?
Okay naman, may 114 sila dyan sa tapat. Pero tingnan natin.
Oo.
Si Jason,
301 dito.
1 hour 30 minutes lang.
Bibili naman yan ng ano, ng
Kutsi.
truck niya.
Kutsi-kutsi.
The rooms are good size.
Yep, it's pretty big. So yan guys, mag-uusap-usap lang kami. So yan guys, no, tapos na kaming mag-showing dun sa bahay and double thumbs up sa amin. So ang inaantay na lang namin yung decision ng kapatid ko. Kasi nga hindi naman talaga siya magre-rent as renter. Part siya ng equity. Kasi pinaplano din nila bumili kasi ng ng apartment or townhouse.
Oo.
Pero nung kino-compute kasi namin, if they will get like a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom na apartment or townhouse, papalo lang din ng 1,600, 1,700 or 1,800 yung babayaran nila monthly hanggang sa utilities. Ngayon, nung chinek namin yung mga bahay na merong magandang basement, no? Like for example, 760,000. Pag divided by 3 namin, 1/3 sila, papalo lang ng 1.5 yung tawag dito, yung magiging monthly nila. So, tinignan namin yung options, etc. Kaya kami tumitingin talaga ng bahay. Ngayon, this property, na-check niya lahat nung na-checklist. Na-check niya lahat nung nasa checklist natin. So, maganda yung layout sa taas. Importante rin, maganda yung layout dun sa baba. It's a 2 bedroom.
Maluwang din, no?
1 bath, yes. Tapos meron siyang sariling kitchen. Medyo mag-install lang tayo ng ref and some renos doon sa kitchen and bathroom niya, but that should still be okay. Pasok pa rin doon sa pre-approval amounts natin, and it's a walkout basement.
Maluwang
And-
din yung bintana.
Yes, malulong yung bintana, so maganda yung
Malaki,
natural light
oh.
yung pasok.
Oh.
Commute wise, malapit lang siya ng North Point dito sa may panorama. Community, check. Yung sa taas, dining, kitchen, living ni Dayan, check.
Check.
Ensuite,
Check.
check. Location niya dun sa bus stop, check. Kasi dun lang sa tapat ng bahay, parang tatlong bahay lang.
Mhm.
Down the road, nandun na yung sakayan nila Madel tsaka ni Jason.
Mhm.
So halos lahat
Check
na-check na, except
Mhm.
for yung timing na lang.
Yes.
So ang gagawin natin ngayon, most likely mag-offer tayo, and then we will list na yung property namin dyan sa may Taradale.
Mhm.
So ibebenta na natin siya kasi kailangan nating i-timing yung possession ng property namin dun sa bagong buyer niya
Mhm.
and yung property na to. So sana alam mo yan, mag-align yung stars
Sana,
sa
sana,
plano
no?
na to
Maganda yung
para
bahay.
makuha natin yung bahay.
Gusto ko yun, maaliwalas.
Yes, kasi naano na. So yan guys, no, sa tagal-tagal nating naghanap ng bahay, ito yung bahay na naramdaman namin agad na most likely ito na,
Mm-mm.
no? Ang gaan ng
Maganda,
pagkaramdam
oo.
pagpasok. Sabi ko nga may office,
Oo.
gym, dining, yung bathroom niya sobrang luwang, as in
Tapos yung
isang-
washer and dryer niya nasa taas,
nasa
no?
taas na, so
Hindi ka na
naka-separate
mahirapan mag
Yung basement meron nang nakaabang, walkout basement siya. Alam mo yun?
Mhm.
Parang nahanap namin yung perfect property. Although, medyo luma na, 1999. Yun lang yung medyo cons niya. Pero still, sa condition niya right now,
Medyo okay.
still
pa.
okay.
Mhm.
Right? So, yun. Balitaan namin kayo guys kapag na-accept yung offer natin and kapag na-list na yung property. Kasi binigyan na kami nung listing agent namin. Sila Eric lang din yung listing agent namin sa property, no, ng listahan na gagawin namin for our property. Paano i-prep for the picture. Then, once na na-take nila yung picture, they will list it immediately. Hopefully, it will sell out like fast para
Sana,
pumasok
ano,
dun
sana.
sa
Eh, ang dami pa man ding
conditions.
for
Dami
sale sa
din
atin, no?
Hindi kasi overpriced din sila minsan eh. May mga
Pero alam mo,
naglalang 420.
sa location dun sa atin, maganda
Very
yung...
convenient.
Oo, very
Diba?
convenient. At
Tapat
saka yung
mo.
location ng townhouse natin, tapat niya playground.
Yes, playground.
So, maganda.
May green space ka, and then
Mhm.
malapit lang kami sa Saddletown kasi.
Mhm.
So madali siyang iparenta just in case. So yan guys. Balitaan namin kayo kung ano mangyari. But it's good.
Yeah.
Si Jason lang medyo hindi masyado masaya kasi 1 hour na yung biyahe.
Anong masasabi ni DJ?
Eagles.
Kasi dito
Egos.
sa amin, malapit lang siya dun sa boss niya. Parang 10 minutes lang
Oo.
yung biyahe niya. Ngayon magiging 1 hour na siya.
Pero
But yeah, we'll see.
wag ka, maano ka na, ma-upgrade ka na kasi sa taas ka
Oo.
na.
Hindi ka na sa
Diba?
dungeon.
Oo. Oo nga.
So yan guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Edwin from the Race Canada Vlog, and this is my wife.
Dayan.
And featuring of course,
DJ.
DJ. Yung kapatid ko nandun nasa unahan.
Oo, nasa unahan.
Nasa kabilang sasakyan
Oo.
sila. So, yun guys, always remember to stay humble and always stay focused in yung mga goals. As always guys, we'll see you sa next vlog.
Bye.